In the Nissan Rogue 2014-2020, the second generation, you may turn on and off the automatic emergency braking system. Sometimes it's quite annoying. It starts braking when you don't want this, so you will want to turn it off in some cases. For this, you will need to go to settings. So this is the main screen, and you press this left button once to least to the settings screen. And then the first highlighted option is driver assistance. You press OK. You go to driver assistance settings, and then again driving aids is the first option. You go to driving aids, and you have emergency brake. Now it's highlighted. Now it's chosen to be on. If I press OK, I will turn it off, and I will leave it on because I love this function. But you may turn it off if you want. And to go back to this main screen from that menu, settings menu, you will just need to press the right arrow button.